where it all began. If you really know if you really want to know why I changed from bad to good, it starts all here. This is the place where my mom and I lived after my dad left. We arrived with almost nothing, and things were pretty tough. We didn't have much money or food, but my mom always helpful. Still have love and love lasts forever and ever. Hey Papa, how come I'm wearing a bandage on my foot? That's not you. That's me. I was a kitten. Oh. So anyway, it was hard on both of us. I didn't always handle it well. But my mother always forgave me, and she never gave up on me. Through the through it all, her love was so strong that it survived even after all the mistakes I made. Then one day, I was least expecting it. her, her love became something new. Ah, that's me, right, Papa? Yep, that's you. I didn't recognize you at the first. Mm, but my mother's love was there, staring right, right in the face. Mm, mm. Still believing in me. Mm, still forgiving me. Mm. And never give me a hope. Sometimes love is strong. It's so strong that it really does last forever and ever. Are you saying that love is eternal and even though the specific characters may change its environment, nature will remain pure information, even the most her soul to transform into banana answer? Sure, why not? How I could have said it better myself. Well, folks, that's the end of our show, and a wonderful ending it was. I could think anything that could ruin this delightful ending. Well, okay, baby, one. Chapter 10 is coming right up after this